so it's still a wee bit too wet like that. You can see rolled it in places. Just go very light over it. You fill any bits in, fill them in with a float. When it is too wet in places, guys, don't trowel it, or don't float it up. Just let it sit, because you will just drag holes into it and dig in. So just go to places that are ready to rub. And rub it there. You can do long rubs or these small ones. Yeah. Stuff will fill up at the bottom, you can fill in if there is any. So that would be the area you're looking to get there. You want to get all the holes tool marked out straight away, and that would be the way you want to have it rubbed. Then how I finish it is a wee light sponge over the top of that. Very light. You can as well, if it is drying a wee bit, you can rub your towel up, bring the moisture back to the surface, and then hit it again. Give you an even finer finish. Fill in any wee bit the trowel. But that's how I finish it, guys. You can see it's not really ready to be sponged and stuff yet. So I'll continue on here and get it all floated. And I'll show you a wee clip of it all finished up solo. But that's generally how you finish it up. Still in a wee bit. It is soft. You will be just rolling the float over very gently. still very wet. If it's like that, I'd suggest you just move on to a different spot. It's a bit dry. Right, so I showed you a wee area there of the way I rub it up, and obviously the way I sponge it, but you can rub it all up and then sponge it later on. Maybe a better job. If you stand close to the wall, you can see things that way. You can obviously look at that way too, and down, and you can look up as well, just sort of any wee imperfections, you can tidy them up. So I like to do up and down with a sponge, or along the top. Up there. Just clean the excess off the sponge. The cleaner the sponge, the better, guys. You want it all building up on that. Finished up, guys.
Brothers, what we do in life echoes in eternity.